Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question is telling us here about a two-digit number. The question is telling us here about a two-digit number, and it is telling that one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So guys, we do not know these two-digit numbers. Let us assume that one of the number of this two-digit is x. Let one digit, because this is a two-digit number. So for example, if it is a two-digit number, if it is, let's say 52, so this is one number, first number, and this is second number. I can say this is one number and this is second number. Now let us assume, because we do not know this two-digit number, let us write, let one of the digits be x. Let one of the digits be x. Let one of the digits, or straight away we can write, let one digit is equal to x. Let one digit is equal to x. If one digit is equal to x, the second digit will be what? If one digit is x, the second digit is going to be 3x. How? Let us look into the question once again. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So if one digit is x, the second digit is going to be 3x. That means our two-digit number that we are going to write now is x3. x3x. This is one digit and this is the second digit, 3x. This is what we got our two digit like this, x3x. Now if you interchange the digits of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. The question is telling us, if you interchange the digits of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, now after interchanging the number that we are getting, if we add that number to the original number, we get 88. So x3x is our original number, and after interchanging, if we add, that means plus 3xx, because the numbers got interchanged, 3xx is equal to 88. This is what we are getting, or this is what the question has given us. Now, in order to solve this further, let us understand one thing. Let us try to understand one thing. Now, what we will understand? Let us take the same example, 52. So how this 52 is written? 52 means this 2 is in the units place. That means 2 into 1. That is 2 into 1. That is equal to 2. And 5 is in the tens place. That means 5 into 10. That is equal to 50. Hope guys you are trying to understand this. This is really very important. We need to understand the concept. So 52 means 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 5 means 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. So this 50 plus 2, it becomes 52. 50 plus 2, it becomes 52. Similarly, if we interchange the number, what will happen if we interchange the number? The 52 will become 25. 52 will become 25, and this 52 will become 25, and we will be writing 5 into 1, that is equal to 5, and 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. So we will get 25. Now taking our example, the example that I am considering here. Now taking our example, this 25 plus 52 will get something. Let's say we'll get 77. But how this 25 plus 52 we are writing? We can write this 25 plus 52 as 5 plus 20 plus 50 plus 2. From where I am getting? This is the 5, this is the 20. this is the 2, and this is the 50. So from here I can write this 25 plus 52 as 5 plus 20 plus 50 plus 2, 77. Just try to keep this in mind. We will utilize this type of thing, or utilize this method in our above equations. So our first number is x3x. Our first number is x3x. Now how we will write that x3x? Similarly, our first number is x and the other number is 3x. If I write 3x is in our unit place, so if my 3x is in the unit place, I need to write 3x into 1, and similarly x is in the 10th place, I can write x into 10. That means 3x into 1 is 3x 1 ja 3x, and x into 10 ja 10x. So this is what we are getting, and we can write 3x plus 10x. Now here similarly, when we interchange the numbers, that means 3x and x. Now when we interchange the numbers, I can write the numbers as x is now in the unit place, x into 1 ja x, and similarly 3x is in the 10th place. So 3x into 10, that is equal to 30x. And when we add this together, we will get x plus 30x. When we add this together, we will get x plus 30x. Let us now utilize this thing in our line that where we have written the equation. Where we have written the equation, let us utilize this thing here in this line. X 3x plus 3xx is equal to 88. Let us rewrite the things like this. Let us rewrite the things like this. X 3x, which is nothing but 3x plus 10x plus 3xx is x plus 30x is equal to 88. Now guys, we can easily solve this equation. Or 3x plus 10x is 13x, 3 plus 10 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 30 is 14 plus 30 is 44. So what we are getting now? We are getting 44x. 44x is equal to 88. Hope guys you are understanding this. Now it becomes easy to solve this one. So what we got? We got 44x is equal to 88. Or I can write 44x divided by 44 is equal to 88 divided by 44. What I am doing here? I am dividing both sides by 44. Why I am dividing both sides by 44? In order to eliminate, I want to eliminate this 44 from x. In order to eliminate this 44, I need to divide this 44 by 44. If I am dividing to the left side of the equation by 44, I need to also divide the right side of the equation by 44. So for that reason, I am dividing both the sides of the equation by 44. Or I can write x is equal to 2. How? This 44 cancels out, and 44 2s are 88. So what we got? We got x is equal to 2. Now guys, if you look here, what we did, we assumed, if you look here, we assumed one digit to be x. And we got the value for this x as 2. And similarly, the second digit will be 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Now, we do not know what type of digit it is. This digit could be, that means from here you could see that we considered x3x, now it will become 2 6. But we do not know that either one digit is x or second digit is x, just we have assumed it. So we could get two numbers, either it is 26 or it could be 62. Just these two numbers we can consider. Now let us look into the question and let us wrap up our answer. What is the original number? The question is asking us what is the original number. Now guys, let us write the concluding answer. Let us write the concluding answer saying that, hence the original number, hence we calculated the original number we calculated the original number either to be 26, either to be 26 or 62. Both ways, guys. Either it could be 26 or 62. So we can write. Hope guys you understood this. This is how we need to answer this type of questions. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.